He owns now Synergy RC. Ready? Can we have music for Matt Botos?
No music.
No music? You want music?
Bobby's got it. Oh yeah, we got it.
Alright. So we do have music. Give it up for Matt Botos, ladies and gentlemen. All the way from Atlanta, Georgia.
Let's hear it for him. I think he's one of the originals to this hobby.
All right, Matt, let's put it down.
His nickname is Matt Hollywood Botos.
Woo!
And let me tell you something from experience. This guy is a designer and a business owner. This is his livelihood, and he does a really good job at bringing a really good product to the market. Unfortunately, flying kind of becomes secondary when you're so busy. Uh-oh. Where's it going? Uh-oh.
I think you should go upside down. There you go.
Matt, if you don't mind, keep it in the field next time. I know it's awesome, but we have a golf course on that side. Give it up for Matt Botos, guys. Matt, do you still have some of the old school smack in you, dude?
There you go. Listen, oh, there you go.
A little bit too low.
I think that was 1 inch too low. That's not too bad.